Good morning, children. Today I'll teach the students of Standard 5, Subject English Language, Chapter 12, Simple Present and Present Continuous. So, students, it is very important chapter. In your earlier classes, you must have learned from your teachers that if you want to learn grammar, you have to learn tenses. So let me start with introduction to tense. First of all, we will learn about what is tense. Tense is that form of a verb which shows the time and state of an action and an event. So, tense is that form of a verb which shows the time and state of an action and an event. To specify time of an action, we have three tenses. So, children, how many tenses we have? We have three tenses. You must have learnt in your earlier classes. There are three types of tenses. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. So, present tense means the action that is happening now. Past tense means the work that is finished. And future tense means what we are going to do. So, children, each of three tenses is subdivided into four forms. So these three tenses are subdivided into four forms: present tense, past tense and future tense. So present tense is subdivided into four forms, same as with past tense and future tense. So we will understand them one by one. So we will start with the very first, simple present tense. So, simple present tense. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used for action that happen regularly or are universal truth. So, simple present tense, where it is used? Simple present tense is used for action that happen regularly or are universal truth. So, universal truth means something which always remain true and happen regularly, means things that happen regularly. That is our daily routine. Okay, let me show you some example. I brush my teeth in the morning. Second example, the sun rises in the east. The sky is blue in color. So student, the verbs in these sentences show that the action is either a universal truth or a habit. They are in simple present tense. So, children, the sun rises in the east. This is universal truth. The sky is blue in color. This sentence is universal truth. And the first one is I brush my teeth in the morning. So, this is our daily habit, daily routine that we do regularly. Okay. So, you can understand while going through this example, the verbs in these sentences show that the action is either a universal truth or a habit. They are in the simple present tense. So, step 2, we will learn about forming the simple present tense. How we form simple present tense. We will see with example. I go to school with Riju. We go to school together every day. You recite well. Parul and Parama play tennis in the evening. So, we use the base form of the verb when the subject is in first and second person. First and second person, I and you. The base form is also used when the subject is in third person and plural in number. In third person and plural in number. So, we will see some more examples. Janet does all her work by herself. Rebecca sings in the chore. The baby cries when it is hungry. So, when the subject is singular and in the third person, we add s or es or s to the base form of the verb. So, we add s or es to the base form of the verb. For verb which ends with y, we remove y and add ies. So, here cry is given, we remove y and add ies. Cry become cries. The baby cries when it is hungry. So, rest half will explain you in my next video.